Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog on a lockdown day. Hope you all are safe and sound. Sharing a few moments and some informations which I guess would be really helpful. So keep watching. Woke up to another beautiful day. We in fact forget or never realize how blessed we are to even wake up from sleep. Those are black raisins soaked previous night in water along with 2 strands of saffron. I have been not a very strict follower of Ruchita Devekar. This is her tip for those who are suffering from PCOD or any hormonal problems. I have been doing this from a month now and still continuing. If you have any PCOD issues or period cramps or anything related to hormones, do try this out. Soak around 6 to 7 black raisins in water along with 2 strands of saffron and have this first thing in the morning. Nowadays, everyone's working from home. As I said in my previous vlog, my husband goes out only for urgent meetings and rest of the time he works from home. Here the lockdown time starts from 3 p.m. till morning 6. Kids were asleep. I prepared masala upma or Rava KICHADI as some say. I roasted a cup of Rava or Semolina. Chopped 1 onion, 1 carrot, 1 capsicum and few cabbage leaves. I used whatever was available in my kitchen. In fact, my kids aren't a big fan of vegetables in upma, but I chop into very tiny pieces that it's difficult for them to separate from the khichdi. Into some heated oil, spluttered a teaspoon of mustard seeds, then goes in a teaspoon of cumin seeds. That's around 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of Urad dal, some roasted chana dal, just a mix, and goes half teaspoon Hing or Asafoetida. That's curry leaves. This is chopped cashews. You can even add almonds, that gives a nice crunch. Then goes a tablespoon of chopped ginger and few green chillies slit. Let the raw smell of the ginger go. Then add the onion and cook till soft. Adding carrot and capsicum. That's quarter cup frozen peas. Then add cabbage. That's 1 small tomato chopped. After 2 minutes of cooking, add half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Mix till the raw smell go and add 2.5 cups of hot water. Add salt. Cover for 5 minutes on medium flame. Now slowly add the roasted semolina or the rava and keep mixing. Make sure the flame is low now. Mix well. Cover and leave it as such for 2 minutes. Add a tablespoon of ghee and some coriander leaves. I had dried ones, you may add fresh. As a side, that's a tablespoon of curd and a teaspoon of pickle. And that's our healthy breakfast for the day. Kids had taken a shower and they are ready for the day. My husband left for a meeting and he was back before lunch. Now, during this challenging time of COVID-19, all schools are closed and students have no option left than e-learning. Recently, I was approached by this team. It's a CBSE online teaching portal called eLessons. I found it to be quite interesting as they are just like a school classroom over complete syllabus from grade 8th till 12th. All you need is to open their website, select your country, register yourself and then purchase. It's not just teaching a concept, but they cover every chapter, sub-chapter, exercises as per NCERT books, just like a classroom. Now this is nothing but a traditional chalkboard classroom on a digital platform which gives the students a real classroom feel, being at home or anywhere comfortable.
Welcome to eLessons. I'm Vinita, your maths teacher. Now let us see some of the geometrical notions.
Welcome to eLessons. I am Prithvi, your physics teacher. In today's session, let us see about the topic force and laws of motion.
Welcome to eLessons. I am Zihana, your chemistry teacher. Students, let us begin to study about Mendeleev's periodic table.
Welcome to eLessons. I'm Kriti, your maths teacher. So in today's class, we'll be starting with a new unit, that is Principle of Mathematical Induction.
The teachers are highly qualified and experienced. They are from some of the best CBSE schools. The video classes are accessible from any device like mobile, tab, laptop, desktop, smart TV and so on. This is available at a very nominal fee, affordable to all parents. Students can log in at any time and anywhere, so it saves a lot of time, money and effort. Thousands of CBSE students follow this, and I guess it's the best platform in this challenging period. The price details and other links to the website is provided in my description box. And what more, there's a flat 50% off for all the viewers in the Mom-tastic family. Just use the coupon code MOMSPL. You may have e-learning opportunity directly from your school during this lockdown period. Still, you may try e-lessons as an additional resource. If you are a CBSE parent, please register with e-lessons where you can view the classes free for 5 days. It's been almost 2 weeks that I've got out from home, so my routines have completely changed and that includes my workout routines too. I have been working out from a gym from the past 2-3 years. Before taking membership, I used to work out from home and I guess I have to continue that now. I don't do the same workouts every day, nor do I work out every day. Timings also differs. Some days I work out morning, some days at night, but I always prefer it in the morning. If I have to do any cardio exercises, I open up any workout videos on YouTube and then follow. Some days I do sun salutations, which I really love to do as it's stretching as well as a good workout. Stretching after any exercise, be it cardio or weight training, is really needed to avoid injuries. Now, one routine shouldn't interrupt another one. I had shared my hair care routine a few days back. I apply castor oil mixed with little coconut oil every day morning and wash it in the evening. I use baby shampoo. The quantity I'll show in the later part, so you'll get to know. I encourage my kids in reading books. Rihan himself created a habit in him. Some of his friends say that he is just showing off, but that doesn't bother him because he knows his parents are there to support him. For Arman, I had bought this book. He might not understand the story in it. I encourage him to read so that he's able to read new words. And slowly, he too can build up a reading habit. It's said that it takes 21 days to create a habit. So I guess this lockdown period is the best to create a new habit in you. We try to eat more vegetarian dishes these days. A non-veg dish is cooked once in a week. Had few prawns left in the freezer. Prepared a simple curry for lunch on this day. I'm keeping the skin on the garlic, so just putting in water for some time. That's a lemon-sized tamarind, adding in hot water to get the pulp out of it. These are shallots being sliced that goes really well when cooking prawns. Do not substitute it with onions, you won't get the real taste. Then you need to slit few green chillies. Crush the garlic with the skin on. I'm using my mortar and pestle. Heating some coconut oil in a clay pot. Meanwhile, make a paste of 2 to 2.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, half to 3/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Add some hot water, make a paste and leave it aside. Splutter a teaspoon of mustard seeds. I normally cover at this time or else my stove would be with oil spots. Then goes around 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Adding curry leaves and covering again. Then add the shallots and cook just until it starts to change color. Add along the green chilies. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame and then add the crushed garlic. Cook again for 2 minutes. Now add the chili paste to it. Add little water and keep mixing until everything is well cooked. It takes 2-3 minutes. Chopping 1 large tomato and mix. Add tamarind pulp along with some salt. Give a mix and cover for 5 minutes on low flame. I'm making plain rice to go along with it. Now add the prawns. Mix and cover. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame. Do not overcook the prawns. It will turn to a rubbery texture and you don't want that. Add some coriander leaves on top before serving. And that was our lunch. Workouts are even necessary for kids, differs on the intensity. It's in fact fun for kids when they are asked to imitate. I randomly check few kids exercise videos on YouTube and connect to TV, so it's easy for them to follow watching it on a big screen. While they were taking a shower, I prepared our usual evening tea. I always love evenings. It has become my favorite part of the day. Though we have other meals together, evening has something special. We have longer chats on each sip of tea or coffee. Kids drink milk, sometimes mixed with their favorite flavors or sometimes just plain. On some days, I prepare a snack. In case lunch has something special, then evenings are simple. Every day, we call our parents back in Kerala to check if everything's going smoothly. In this lockdown period, we are more worried about them than ourselves. As I said, my routines have changed. My cleaning routine isn't at any fixed time. On this day, I clean before dinner. And it's not me just doing the house chores. My family joins me because the house you live in is not just you in there. I believe it should always be jointly done. It only improves the bond. We can buy a house, but it's hard to build a home. Do help your partner or anyone you're staying with. Now, this is a shampoo I use for washing my hair. It's Johnson's Baby Shampoo. You may use any herbal shampoo. Take some water. I have the squeeze bottle here and I squeeze out 4 times. That's how much I use daily. Sometimes it's 3 squeeze. In case I feel my hair has gone too dry, I apply very little coconut oil on the hair, not on the scalp, and that's after shower. Recently, I had shared few stories on Instagram as well as YouTube on my husband's cooking. In fact, he had never got a chance to cook, or rather I would say, is it that I always felt that he isn't interested and he takes it for granted. But I know that he loves to help me when I'm tired. So on these lockdown days, he prepares dinners on some days. Mostly it would be bread and eggs or pasta or noodles. I must admit, it tastes really good. Soon I shall post a recipe from him with him cooking. And kids love to be in the kitchen for help. On this day, they prepared a simple club sandwich with what was available: grated carrot, cabbage along with some dips and spreads mixed. That was a heart-filling dinner. And it comes to an end to today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Be positive, stay home and stay safe. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.